In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI with Canva. To get started, the first thing you want to do is decide what you want to create. This is important because Claude works best when you give it a clear goal. For example, you might be making a presentation, an Instagram post, a Facebook banner, a flyer, a poster, an infographic, a resume, a business proposal, an ebook, or a marketing brochure. When you know exactly what kind of project you're building, it becomes much easier for Claude to generate content that actually fits your design. Next, open Claude and type a detailed prompt explaining what you need. The more specific you are, the better your results will be. For example, you could ask Claude to create content for a 5-slide presentation introducing a new fitness app, including a title, key features, benefits, pricing, and a call to action, while keeping each slide concise. Claude will then generate structured text that you can easily move into Canva. This saves time and gives you a strong first draft to work from. Once Claude gives you the content, take a moment to refine it. Don't feel like you have to use the first version exactly as it is. You can ask Claude to simplify the wording, change the tone, add examples, create headings, shorten paragraphs, generate a stronger call to action, or rewrite everything for a specific audience. This part is especially useful if you want your content to sound more polished, more professional, or more tailored to your project. Keep refining until it matches what you want. After that, open Canva and sign into your account. From the home page, click Create a Design, then choose the type of design you want to make. You can select a template if you want a faster starting point, or begin with a blank canvas if you prefer full control over the layout. Now copy the text from Claude and paste it into your Canva design. Replace any placeholder text in the template with your own content and try to keep everything clean and organized. From there, customize the design by changing colors, choosing appropriate fonts, adding icons, inserting photos, including charts or graphics, and uploading your own images or logo if needed. Try to keep the visual style consistent so the final result feels cohesive and professional. Before you export, review everything carefully. Check grammar and spelling, make sure your fonts and colors are consistent. Confirm that elements are aligned properly, and make sure your visuals are high quality and easy to read. Finally, when you're happy with the design, click Share, then Download, and choose the file format you want, such as PNG, JPG, PDF, MP4, or PPTX. You can also share the design directly from Canva with team members or clients.